I'm Ankit Bansal, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI customer support agent for an online store in Node.js, running on a local model with no API keys. Let's get into it. Here's how it works. The browser sends the chat to an express server running an agent loop. The agent is given a set of tools. It decides which to call, runs it against the store's data, reads the result, and then answers, repeating until it's done. The brain is a local LLM through Ollama, with a deterministic fallback, so it always works. Here's the agent, running live on a local model. Watch the trace. Every tool it calls is shown on screen. Where's my order? It calls getOrderStatus and answers with the real tracking number and ETA. In stock, it checks the product, sees medium is sold out, and offers the sizes that are. Return policy? It pulls the policy from the knowledge base and explains it. And when the customer is upset, it escalates to a human and opens a ticket. So that's a real AI support agent. Tool calling over your store's data, fully local, no API keys, and easy to point at the real Shopify API. The code is in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, because in the next video we'll build the next agent on the list. See you there.